Hello everybody, this is our winter adventure in the People's Park. It's frozen lake. If you look over there, it's not frozen. Follow me into the People's Park. Come on.
Let's follow her.
You want to do a workout, everybody?
This ice.
Oh my,
Better stay
it's really icy.
away. Chilly day today. It's ice and frost and start to melt a little bit, but very soon will be dark again and very frosty again. But that chestnut tree is huge. It's huge. Oh, dear. Just my hand here, like comparison with how big this one will be, like 4 people joining hands together. Look at that. It's huge. Hi. We had a joy. Crunching grass and leaves. And falling icicles from trees. So many. Let's study about trees. Yeah, be careful. Just slowly walking.
Ocean time. So we have the common ash here, which we found before. I don't know if we found this before.
Just goes pine.
Yeah. I don't know if we found it.
Yes, it is an up on a hill.
Yeah, it is a creek. And have we found this one yet?
And cypress, I think, is there.
Maybe
That direction
we
there.
found this tree before.
Yes,
That tree.
chestnut.
Chestnut.
Is this here? Huge.
Yeah, that's a huge one. Let's look
And
around
we see
it.
another one.
Okay.
Yes, it's a bird there. It's a birdie.
Can I hold the camera? Can I hold
And
the
it's
camera?
okay, I'll hold it.
No.
You just show me directions, okay?
This is the sapwood from it. This is the sapwood. This is the hardwood. Hardwood.
Inner part,
Yeah, and then this is the thinner bark here.
Yeah.
And this is the red part, which I don't know what red is. Red stones through as carries it sideways.
And actually, it is carry on water. Yes.
Yes,
From
true.
roots to up to.
It's true.
top.
My mom is telling me stuff which I don't know.
Yeah, we study in a primary too
Yes.
about
Okay, come on, follow me.
science.
Follow me.
Look at drips. Just listen, drips. Falling.
Mommy,
Yeah.
it is just a little.
Yeah, we need to go from here. We'll get like in a shower.
Okay.
So it's very beneficial.
Yes. A normal
This one.
spruce.
Keep
Which-
spiders away. We hope. Huh?
How to find Parker types of trees in the People's Park. The trees on this pale are colored and colored to seem an explainable.
An example of
An example of
particular tree in the
in-
park. Find its color on this map and go to its location. You will find a marker beside the tree to help you identify it. The marker will also tell you more about that particular tree. Yes, and we find it here. And it's here.
Angel, Elsie, yeah, here, look, here.
It's
Daddy
beautiful.
go, 1, 2, 3. What's that? Here, you missed it. You missed it. Here it is. Look. Here. Here. You get one.
Check.
Angel, get one.
Everyone.
Daddy,
Oh, cutie. Yeah.
You can give them to them. Give them to the face.
From a hand.
Yeah,
Yeah, from a
no,
hand.
They don't take, they're not bite you. They're not bite you.
From a hand,
Yeah.
Lisa.
They won't bite, darling. Look, watch. They take it off ever so gently. There you go.
You want
That's enough.
to give a stick? Hey, beautiful.
There you go. Josh, you're doing a great job.
I love you.
I love you too.
Follow me.
I will follow you.
Follow me, everybody.
Yeah.
We're gonna bring you to what is that place called? What's
Let's
that?
go.
Yeah, Tesco.
I need to go and buy something for
Yep.
tea time. Okay.
Oh, pretty. Look,
It's melting.
yes, we're melting from this. So like, there's a
Like
lot of
icicles going on drops.
Yep.
Drip, drip, drip drops.
There's a lot of Dunkin'
Okay, see you later.
Bye bye.